Hello, my name is Aldrin Zuniga, and this is today is January 12, 2025. It's Monday. The first thing happened to me is I received an email containing my first ever project in Accenture's. This The emails is about contract signing and um, but uh, yeah, the contract, the email is contain contract signing. They But I'm not totally deployed on the project because the date is indicate the date they said the date they say that the date is the real the date the exact uh, the deployment notice will release on January 26. uh, they What do you call that, they um pinauna lang nila yung contract kasi at least para process na ganon. Yeah. I'm I'm happy because finally after almost 8 months I received my first ever project. I don't know I don't know. I have a mixed feeling because I feel overwhelmed and scared because I don't know what to do in that project because uh, for almost eight for almost 8 months I don't have any mm, um, hands-on experience on even in a training or in just like the role I assigned to me is the tester, so I am not familiar the the way what is the what things they do in the technology. Like I have a little bit knowledge about what is tester is because I read some of the article or I some in the some trainings at Workday. Yeah. mm, yeah, that's the second thing, and the second situation happened today. And situation the second highlights happened in here in my day is my friend Daryl. I um he treated me in a Uncle Jazz. It's supposedly coffee because I want coffee, and I said to him that baka naman pwede libre mo ako. Pero nauwi kami sa ayaw niya ka pa nung una, napilit ko rin siya. And then we ended in Uncle John's, but that's his street. I'm thankful because I ate the tuna bread because I really miss eating that food because in way back on last year when when my friend Nicole is with here in the Philippines. uh, we um we are we are we are coworker ko siya, and she's the closest person I ever had here in Accentures. But unfortunately, she's um she's she has a she has a she has a opportunity to she has a opportunity to go abroad. That's why He slept. She slept. She's gone here at Accenture. I'm happy. But anyway, that's why I choose the tuna bread because I remember her to that point to that food. Oh, this is my day one updating. It's Monday updating you. And also practicing my English. I hope you bear with me. Bear with me. Joke lang. It's so many errors. Yeah. And now I'm just writing also what happened, journaling what happened today because it's helped me to improve my vocabulary, my ay tingnan mo natawala na bobo talaga. Yeah, that's all for today. Also to add, I go to grocery. I spent almost 900 plus for necessities here for your house for my necessities are no food like that. Yeah. Bye bye. Okay, I'm going to kill this one. Galing pala siya kay my friend, my lovely friend, Jericho, Echo, Art. Galing pala yan. Your birthday every day. Paano ba to? Kaya hindi ko siya napicture. Pero ako ng Bosha. So, yun. It's an art. Oh, yun. Who? Okay. Start. Natin ka rin. Let's go. Favorite ko pa naman si Pooh. Ito siya. After, pag nabuo ko talaga. Ito. Okay. Hello. It's January 13, Tuesday, 2026. Today, I woke up late. Yeah. Anyway, I just finished. I'm done journaling. I'm done writing what happened today. Journaling na what happened. Writing pa, diba? Today I woke up late. 7:16. It's late. 6:7 to 16 a.m. It's late. I burst like I'm mad like that because it's late. I thought I'm going to late. I thought I'm going to late to work. I'm mad. there's a I will show you that I punched our door. I punched our door. I punched our door. I punched our doors in so much anger. Um, I want to release my what do you call that? My emotion. That's why I punched that door. I just want to control my feelings. I just want to control my emotion though. But it's hard. But I really trying to control it. Maybe because yeah. I don't know, but my sore throat is something. There's something wrong in my sore throat. I have experiencing what do you call that? Um, there's a. I feel like there's a problem in my sore throat right now. I'm going to. I drink water. Ah, okay. It's 3 minutes na, and my it's not. I can I don't know. Oh, fuck, guys. And as per work, nothing much happened. Nothing much happened. Just a normal day. Just a normal day at work. Mm, I'm not. I don't have any. I don't have any. What do you call that? I don't have any. I don't have any. Um. Uh. I don't have. My. I am not productive today, as always. um. I don't know. Um. I exp- I don't I ex it's hard to focus on something that I really don't know is yeah, maybe that's why I really don't know what I'm going to, or I am not sure. It is I'm not sure if that if I am not sure if it's right. It's if my I don't know. It's hard to what do you call that? Shit. Hello, today is January 13, 2026, Tuesday, and um, um the, today I woke up late, 7, 7:16. I when I pick up my phone and look in the look in the screen of my phone, and I saw 7:16, and it's late. I'm I burst my feeling. I mean, I felt I felt mad. I I felt angry because it's getting. I'm going to late to work. Yeah. Um. There. feel I full of emotion. My the emotion. I felt angry and all. And means I punch. I draw because I need to release my anger. So, I don't know what. I don't know why I did not. I did that. I I punch. I punch the door. Yeah. It's um I have I have this attitude that that I can control my emotions. And yeah, here when I'm here in house, um I can control my emotion. But when I'm in the outside, and in or yeah, outside and with my friends or in the work, I can control my feelings, my emotions. But when I'm here in the house, all my emotion, you will see all the emotions. Maybe because it's my comfort, it's my house, and no one can judge me. That's why I'm freely to express my emotions. When I get angry, I get burst, I shouted. Yeah, because at the end of the day, I know that my family, they will not get. I don't know. Maybe they are, what do you call it? Sanay. English of sanay is they are nakasanayan, like ano. Yeah, yeah. And as for work, nothing just happened. Nothing much happened. Just a normal day. Uh, to add, I bought a Coco Fresh tea, and I bought my Coco Fresh tea and juice, flavored two ladies. It that flavored, I I first time to taste it when I'm in Pasay, my previous work at Alphamart. My supervisors treat me, and yeah, I'll choose the hot one because I'm not I'm not into cold yeah, into cold drinks. I prepare hot because uh, I'm scared to to catch cold. Yeah. um, but I'm easily to catch cold, even though I'm just sip a little maybe because of my sinus. I'm not about what happened. I don't know. Maybe because of my sinus. Yeah. Like right now, I experience it. Oh my gosh. Um, that I I bought that Coco because I saw in my Atomic Card app that I have vouchers for Grab, 88 pesos, and the total price of my order is 110 and minus 88, so I only paid 22 pesos. Yeah, that's why I am happy. I'm happy because I got that vouchers. Yeah, when I get home, when I get home, um, um, when I get home, um, I just scrolled through my phone. I just scrolled through my phone and I exercise after at 8 a.m. At 8 p.m. I exercise, and then after that I took a shower. Then now I'm journaling what happened today, and also taking a video, so I practice my communication skills. Yeah, that's my weaknesses is the English speaking and communicating using the English language. And I don't know, I um I'm overthink a lot. That's why before I speak, I'm just thinking what I'm going to say because I'm scared that they will judge me. They will judge me, though. It's already 7:57, 8, yeah. It's already 8 minutes. I will say goodbye now. I will, I think it's time. Bye bye. Sakit na nito. Today is January 15, 2026. Thursday. Uh, First of all, I want to thank God for everything I see today. I saw today, like the trees, the birds chirping, singing, chirping lang, not singing. And also, I see people minding their own business. Seeing them feel like I'm alive. That's why I'm very thankful because I have I have life, I have breath, I have air to breathe. Like yeah, I woke up early today because I just want to I I went to I went to municipality of Balagtas to walk for a minute for 30 minutes. Because it's 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 good for the health, but also to end mind and yeah, to 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 make my day more productive. That's why I went to walk on the park in the municipality hall, and after 30 minutes I return home. Then I leave some I exercise for the upper part of my body, and then after that I shower and get ready for my and get ready and get and prep for my work. I also I want to share that I'm work from home today. That's why it's not hassle to go to commute. Yeah, to prepare and to bring bag, big bag. Yeah, then okay, and after that, I want to share that during the huddle earlier, not earlier, uh, in the morning when at work, during the huddle call, at the end of the meeting when I'm saying the final closing remarks for my for the huddle, and I will going to dismiss them. I I said happy Friday. I thought it's Friday. I thought it's Friday today. Yeah, so embarrassing. I'm shy, and I chat them like I'm so sorry. I um I chat them. Yeah. Some some of my friends at work, they reach me and they text me and chat me about, hey, today is Thursday, not Friday. And oh my gosh, the to be honest, I have script that I read during the huddle, but it indicates that it's Friday. That's why it's Friday today. Yeah, yeah, that's all. And after that, um, go back to work. Then nothing special happened today, and I just received an email containing the trainings that I need to take, yeah, to prepare for my upcoming project. Yeah, I'm not finished yet on the first video on the first. Pang inang mukha yan. Mukha po ba yun? Eros and maybe powder. Maybe not. Aba. Shit. Buti pala di pa ako bumibili. Buti
pala dito ako bumibili.